No, they're more like three. They're more like 350. They're more like 350 now, Joe.
Your cost.
My cost is 240. My cost is 250. Okay, so what'd you say? You can't get out of second gear over 3,000 RPM because there's too many stop signs.
Yeah, you got a stop sign every 30 feet around here.
Yeah, that's
94
normal.
right there.
I know I get between third gear on each stop sign, but that's you.
Fucking put a dent in the
Okay, so how's it run now?
It runs great. Pulls good. When I got on, it really pulls strong. Clutch doesn't slip no more. Can't wait to get on the freeway and see what it really feels like.
Is it letting out where you want to now, or
Clutch is working great.
let's out?
Didn't even start to.
Let's out right there, which feels good.
Yeah, it didn't start to stall me or nothing. Everything is looking good. Are we looking at oil anymore or no?
Oh, you gotta get it broken in. We gotta dump that oil out. So.
Is there enough oil in it to run on the freeway right now or no? They put 3/4 in it.
So I want that lifter, dude. You don't want that giving you trouble on the freeway. I can put Tribodine in it right now. What do you think?
That brake oil is like water.
Yeah, you're
When
done
that
with
gets
it already.
hot, yeah, that I wouldn't.
You mean you want me to drive like Joe?
No, I've seen that shit after it's hot. It's like straight water. It's like dirty water.
Which oil's in there?
Up
Look
the
at that,
line.
it's dripping off like water.
That's braking oil. It's 5.15
Yeah.
or
Yeah, you
something.
got oil in there.
That's enough.
You got 3 quarts in there. Why is it only?
Oh, the tank only holds 3.
We put 3 quarts in it.
Yeah, right.
Or did, oh no, we didn't empty out that last one. Go empty out that last container. We still have
Tribodine
partial.
might fix your lifter is what I'm thinking.
So you think maybe that braking oil is just too thin and it's making the lifters?
Well, it's 190 pounds of spring tension. I think is the problem.
That was 185.
I think it's more like 195 really, but it's high.
Some manly.
It's way more than this cam needs.
Still got 4 in it.
Put the rest in.
Is it?
You're not gonna be much longer in this. You're gonna put about 100 miles in this if you're lucky, and it's gonna be coming out because you're breaking it in. You already broke it in pretty hard already, so it's pretty much almost broken in.
Use another heat cycle.
Maybe there's a few more heat cycles in here.
I was seeing a bunch of gated communities.
How many miles with the braking did you put on it?
Between 1 and 300, it looks good as long as you get it, do it.
1 to 3.
But he was in a fast break-in, so it was in the 3 mile break-in.
I thought he wanted me to get on with it.
It was a 3 mile break-in. He's gonna go from break-in to break. Well, you haven't stuck the pistons yet, so that's a good sign.
When the coil wire came off, I thought for sure I'd been a valve or stuck a valve.
You did that too?
Huh?
You got a coil wire come off?
Just
Yeah.
now, yeah.
That happened to me on the freeway the other day.
Yeah.
I came back on one cylinder going, oh, pop.
And I thought it was fucking I just broke the valve.
Wires just hanging.
Because I was dogging it and it just was right to pop, you know. Nope.
I was gonna do a video on your bike, and you're not gonna be here anymore.
I could take one on my.
You're supposed to do a video of your panhead.
You ride it? Let's do it, right?
You're leaving early. Yeah, we gotta do it before you leave. Before you pack it up.
Yeah, no
warm it
problem. I'll be riding it tomorrow.
You gonna save this can or trash?
Put the trash can.
I'd say that.
Okay, go ride it more. Okay, go out and double your distance.
Double it?
Go out and double your distance. Every time you go out, double your distance. It's cool off, isn't it?
Even if you go in the 94 to the 15.
Yeah, I don't feel any heat. Good.
That's like less than 10 miles.
Okay, when you go up on the freeway, just vary your speed a bunch. Don't hold at one speed.
No, and not wide open. I want to get out there.
You get on a little bit, but just
Yeah, hey.
play around a little bit. Keep it under
I
100.
was brushing my teeth.
Wait a minute, what about that tire?
Think you're coming back?
What? Looks good. It's got rubber. It's got air in it. What more do you
Going
want?
backwards.
Yeah, that makes a big difference, doesn't it? How many miles are on that tire?
For years ago.
How many years it's been like that?
All those haters.
Lights were?
You didn't have lights on. I didn't know if you just didn't turn the.
They were on?
Yeah, you didn't. I didn't know if you didn't turn the key to.
So get the RPM up a little bit, a little load.
Damn, that's a bright light.
Probably on high beam.
Try not to get it super hot, but go out and ride it.
Okay. Get a little wind into it too.
Yeah, get some wind on it.
You want a wrench?
For what?
You gotta put that. Or you could get. Actually, you have zip ties on it. It's
You only had it when I got on hard when
Yeah.
it came off.
Well, you're gonna get on hard before you get back, I'm sure. So
Just put a few freeway miles on.
yeah. Go all the way down to Euclid to come back. Yeah.
And the 94?
Yeah.
And turn around there.
Oh, he blew it up. I saw that. What's wrong with that throttle? We got down low gear. I thought they would block the stop sign that way. There's Jeremy's new bike.
Yeah. We're gonna pull the motor out of that one and
We're gonna put that one in there, right? Or we're gonna grab one of those up there. Lots of motors around here. All right, so what's going on with your bike? You want more power in yours now out there?
it's got all the power in the world.
Oh,
No, I need to do the gearing. I need to put
put a mild cam in your bike.
I want to take the 80 miles per hour at 4,000. I want to drop it to at least 32.
You don't like 4,000 RPM?
No,
at,
I don't.
At 70
I
miles
just
an
feel
hour?
like no, at 80 it's just
Oh,
wailing.
80. Yeah, 80 is
At
illegal.
least it sounds like
You know 80 is illegal.
No, not in California.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Maybe in Washington.
Well, you can either gear it up with the tranny or gear it up with the rear wheel, so either way. But you can't do it, you have to change the belt.
No, I know, and that's what sucks because I just had that swing arm off.
So why don't you change the pulley on the front?
And I also had that inner primary off too.
Well, I got a 34 tooth pulley coming, so it'll be here in a couple days. Well, I don't know. I don't know where else it's coming from. I ordered it today. Let's put it that way.
A third. What is on there?
32.
And you ordered a.
34.
So you think that 2 would make a difference?
Oh, it makes a huge difference.
So I could still run my belt.
Yep. Well, is your axle in the middle of the swing arm or further back in the middle? Go look at your axle. It's got to be at least halfway back in the axle. Go look at it.
Probably.
Usually they're about 5/8 back, and that's plenty.
I'm all the way forward.
Can't do anything.
I won't have enough.
Why is that belt so short?
Huh?
Why is the belt so short?
It's the belt we put on it.
Usually on most Harleys, the axle's toward the back of the slot when you have the belt
Well,
on.
this bike was in a million pieces about 3 months ago. So we just
whatever
grabbed
pieces you got.
Whatever
we
you got,
got
what you
garage full
got.
of parts and we pieced it back together.
So
know?
you're all the way forward right now.
all the way forward right now, so I ain't got enough.
You have to go measure Joe's axle, see how far we moved. I don't think it's enough
Yeah,
to
no.
drop to a 65.
How much those belts? A couple $100.
It's not just that, it's taking the
2.5.
swing arm off is a bitch.
You better replace that gear. Well, I mean that.
That's what I was saying, we could do the front, but if I don't have enough...
You're already all the way
have
forward, you
enough.
can't do anything.
Actually, you'll get more room when you put a smaller gear in the back.
Well, no, where we want to put one in the front. Would I get more room if I have a... No, because you want to put a bigger one.
You can do smaller in the back, but that moves the axle back. And I don't know if you got enough room to go back that far. It's a big change.
I know.
You can put 2 in the front, it's not too bad, but you take 4 out the back, or 5, whatever it is. It's a lot. Depending on what tooth count you're using. So it's a matter of how you do it. It's a big change. But either way, it does
I
the
mean, I'm
same
not
thing.
supposed to be going 80 anyway, right?
2 in the front and
Supposed
4 in
to.
the back are the same.
No, I mean, it's just at 4,000 at 80, and to me, it sounds like it's...
Just rubbing out, you're tearing the bike
Don't need to
up.
go any faster than AS for God's sake, sure.
You're tearing the bike up.
Just want to show off or so.
Well, I don't
Turn the
know.
bike up?
I know who drives at 80 miles an hour around here.
No, you have to go 80 in California. If you're going 80 in the fast lane, cars are getting on your ass and want you to move.
I don't have any problem on my bike. I must be going 80 though, because but I slow down and go move over.
Your
'cause I get tired of,
speedo don't even work anymore.
Yeah, my speedo don't work. It probably never did. It was probably always showing slow. We gotta. I don't know. I'll send it off.
We geared your bike way up.
And that screws the speedo up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's it.
No, I have no problem keeping with traffic here or whatever. It's just that bike when you're going, it's like,
It's a panhead. What do you want?
Now, I bet your bike it drives real good. See, mine's like, hold on to that bitch. It's okay. Actually, I'm getting better now. I'm one-handed for a little bit. But the roads here Well, at first you get those lines down the middle to catch your wheel a
Well,
little
you
bit.
don't like our California highway?
No, actually, they're pretty good compared to Texas. In Texas, you'll find holes and shit, you know.
Well, because we don't got the weather to
But if you
make
ride in
them.
the middle of the lane, you'll find this wavy action. You got to ride on one of the
Yeah.
grooves, you know.
You know what's nice? I don't know if you've taken it on the 8 right now, but they're repaving the whole 8 freeway.
Well, they are.
Smooth as
It
shit.
is smooth. Oh my god, it's so nice. I go from my house into OB, and it is so nice. There's like a week ago there was only 2, and then
Yeah.
there's a dip, and there's the old, you know, and they're like, oh, I think it's now going west is all new.
Yeah.
Going east, I think 3 lanes are, and it's nice, nice.
I'll give it about a year. I'm trying to crap.
Now I've been
we
up
don't
North
got bad
County
weather.
3 times, and
Yeah.
it's fine. I'm pretty used to it now. Plus, you got it running right. It wasn't real responsive.
Have you ride it since we? You didn't ride it since we turned the jet all the way off again, did you? So that'll be tomorrow's ride. Okay.
It was like that yesterday. I just turned. There's no difference. What's the difference? There's no difference.
Between quarter open and none, I don't think there's any difference. But anyway, it's running good. All right, I'll be back later.
I want to see it on the camera.